If I type pi in MATLAB, only 5 digits are being shown on the screen, but MATLAB actually does all calculations with about 15 digits of precision. If you want to see more digits in your answers, you can type format long. To get back to the default behaviour, type format short. The number of digits of precision that MATLAB uses is limited by the computer architecture. Calculations at 15 to 17 digits of precision use 64 bits of computer memory. This corresponds to a single memory address in a 64-bit computer architecture, or 2 memory addresses in a 32-bit computer architecture. It is possible to increase the precision of computations in MATLAB by using the variable precision arithmetic. For example, if we want to compute pi to 10,000 decimal places, we can type VPA pi 10,000. The only limitations on accuracy are determined by what your computer hardware can handle. However, using more memory addresses to store a single number means more memory swaps are involved in calculations, and this slows down computation time dramatically. Most of the time, 15 digits of precision will be enough, and so it's what we will use by default. However, it can cause problems in some calculations. For example, if we do 5 times 10 to the 20 plus 1, and then we subtract from that 5 times 10 to the 20, we should get the number 1. But in fact we get 0, which is the incorrect answer. What's happened here is that the first number has been rounded, and so when we subtract away the 5 times 10 to the 20, the bit that's being cut off during the rounding is forgotten. This is something we need to be aware of. The computer can seem a bit like a black box sometimes. We put values in, stuff happens, and we get an answer back, but we have to always be thinking about whether the answer makes sense and considering what could have gone wrong during the process of calculation.